Hi there, and welcome to BSF Recovery Team. We were on our way back to the trail shack from dropping one off in the campground, and we got flagged down by the owner of a BLAZER that kind of had a tendency to want to steer all by himself. He was on his way back to the campground for repairs, but when the BLAZER wanted to steer itself off into the woods, he was afraid he wasn't going to make it. We parked the wrecker in front of him on the trail, and then he carefully backed the BLAZER out of the woods so we could pick up the front end with the wrecker and tow him back to camp.
We're getting better at placing this thing, huh? Yep.
When we got the front tires off the ground, we decided to do a quick check to see what was wrong.
This is how they notice. Yep, that's loose.
We immediately noticed a lot of new parts under the front end of that BLAZER, and after a little wiggle, we noticed that some retorquing was needed, mostly on the nuts and studs for the steering arm, but it wouldn't be a bad idea to put a wrench on all of the bolts.
I am not falling onto that hard.
I don't even think we're back.
With the BLAZER on the hook, this should be a real easy tow. Down the hill, across the road, and back to his campsite.
Oh, my water bottle! I wonder where it went. It must have fell back. Ow, ow.
You want it all the way up? In gear?
Is that down?
One of you has got to come around this side.
It's over there. I can't get this.
ain't unhooked. Right here. No, that stays there.
Thanks for watching BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, stay safe, maybe we'll see you in the woods.